Let's remember how to form our embouchure for playing our instrument, and let's make our first sounds together, okay? Now, I'm going to use a mirror for all steps of this process, and you should use a mirror at home also so that you can actually see what your muscles are doing, okay? Sometimes we feel like we're doing one thing, but actually if we're to look, we're going to realize that we're doing something completely different, okay? So our first step is to take our chin and point it down and our jaw slightly forward. Okay? Put two fingers on your chin and stretch your top lip up so that it rests on your bottom teeth, right on top of your teeth. You'll notice you can still see my lip. I'm not putting my entire lip inside my mouth because that won't work. Just resting that lip on top, jaw forward, chin down, fingers pulling down, bottom lip stretching up over the teeth. Wonderful. If you've done that right, you're going to start to see muscles at the corners of your embouchure, maybe the corners of your mouth, and a very flat chin. Okay, see the muscles here? The flat shape of my chin. And that's very, very important. Check that in the mirror many times. If you're doing it right, you're going to feel muscles right here at the corner that kind of squeeze and hurt. Okay, these muscles are drawing your mouth muscles up and down and resisting each other and also keeping them flush against your teeth. Very important. Okay. From there, we should practice forming that embouchure with our mirror and then using our practice mouthpiece to see if we can keep that embouchure in place. So I'm going to stretch down with my chin, forward with my jaw to line up my teeth. Okay. Stretching my chin down, my bottom lip on top of my teeth. I'm going to take my practice mouthpiece, click on my top teeth, close onto my bottom lip, about a thumbnail's worth on top of my bottom lip. And then I'm going to seal my lips around and see if I'm still holding that embouchure shape. Click, close, seal. Here we go. And I was able to keep my embouchure flat, my chin flat. It's very, very important, okay? You'll need to feel like your jaw is coming slightly forward to line up your teeth, okay? And down so that we're stretching, okay? Top lip is going to stretch down to the mouthpiece as well, okay? So let's try that with our assembled mouthpiece and reed, okay? Let's form our embouchure by getting our jaw lined up, teeth lined up, stretching our chin down and our lip up. Top lip is going to press down. Click, close onto your bottom lip, about a thumbnail's worth maybe, and seal. My embouchure still looks good, okay? So my lips are tall, top lip down, bottom lip up, chin down, okay? Let's make our first sound. Let's turn our metronome on for this, all right? Let's make 4 counts of sound, okay? Still using our mirror to check the embouchure. Set our jaw, flat chin, click, close the bottom lip on, and seal to blow. Breathe deeply. Ready? Great. Be sure that you're breathing really deep. Be sure that you are leveraging your mouthpiece against your top teeth. What that means is make sure that your mouthpiece is pointing down and putting a little bit of forward pressure on your top teeth, okay? You're going to feel like that presses against your bottom teeth nice and strong through your lip, okay? Mouthpiece points down at our knees, not straight across, and the chin is always up, okay? Let's do that again for a 4 count. Form our embouchure, chin tall, click, close, seal, and blow. Breathe. Ready? Great job. Make sure you're always using your mirror at first as you're forming your embouchure, okay? And have lots of fun with it.